Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my portable YouTube studio. So this is pretty much my 99% portable YouTube studio gear. And of course, the best portable studio is pretty much always going to be your smartphone. But other than that, let me show you what I got whenever I am outside and I'm needing to shoot some YouTube videos. Okay, so I stated a little earlier, my smartphone and anybody's smartphone is pretty much going to be their best portable YouTube studio. However, if you are going to be taking more gear than that, then here's what I've got going. So this is a smaller bag. So obviously right now, the main things that are missing are my camera, which is what I'm using right now. It's my Panasonic G85 camera. And also I have a Rode microphone as well. And so that allows me to get the best quality, and when you're outside it also helps a lot as well. So let's see what we have here. So here I actually have a cleaner. So it's a brush, and also you could spray some air. So this is great to clean your camera lenses. And here is my lens cap. And then over here I have some things that are very important. Batteries. So I always have 3 batteries total. So here's the 2 extra. And I also have another microphone as well. So this is a lapel microphone. It's pretty long, but you know, works pretty good. And this is great if you actually want to have it closer to your voice. And then over here I also have a small ring light. So this is like a $5 Boya ring light. It's great. It comes in a pinch whenever you need some lighting. And then over here I also have a Manfrotto Clamp. So this allows me to use my smartphone, and you see how I use this when I show you the other accessories, but this is great to have around with you if you ever need to shoot with your smartphone. And I also have an additional one here as well. And plus I have my LG 360 degree camera. Okay, so I don't use this very often, but you know, it's available and I could shoot different types of videos with this. And then over here I actually have my battery charger, and I also have a micro USB cable to transfer data from my camera. And then up here we have my Manfrotto mini Pixie tripod. I think you always need to have some type of tripod with you, and as I stated a little bit earlier, I use this in combination with this clamp in case I want to use my phone. And then we have one final thing I think everybody should have: a pair of cool shades. And that's it for my mini portable YouTube studio. And this allows me to shoot all the videos that you see right now whenever I'm outdoors, and even when I'm at home. You know, this is pretty much all I really need. And what I'm missing, you know, when I'm at home obviously is I have a tripod and I have bigger lights, but other than that everything else is here. So that is it for this video on my portable YouTube studio. And eventually, whenever you do decide to get gear, you might have something like this or maybe something more, but the basics are all the same. And I really like the fact that this is small and portable. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, or maybe your own YouTube studio setup, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my YouTube tutorials and tips, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. For serious YouTubers, check out TubeBuddy, the premier tool news at GeekOutdoors.com. Get more done today by checking out the affiliate link in the description area below.